This is a story about Bob Oates.
I've had plumbers coming to my house for the past 35 years. I always dreaded calling them because I was afraid of being overcharged and taken advantage of. Just like with mechanics, you know. My neighbor recommended Bob Oates, so I called them. Within 20 minutes, I had a call back on when they could come out. Even though it wasn't an urgent problem, they said they could send someone out that afternoon. They sent Sam, and he was the most pleasant service person I've ever had to deal with. He made me feel comfortable with his confidence to get the job done right in the smallest amount of time possible. He moved quickly and with a smile, professional and friendly. He was very careful to not track the muck around from the clogged sink. Most plumbers leave the place a mess, but he kept everything as it was and didn't use my towels to wipe things up like other plumbers have done. Next time I need a plumber, I'm calling Bob Oates.